Hey guys, today we talk about how can you create posts on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just click here in this sign here. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So, or can you just go down, click on this sign. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Add here anything you think about, you add it here. In here can you add gif, in here can you take a picture from your camera here, in here can you add videos, in here can you choose photos or videos in your gallery here. So then here, so you choose language and you click on post and it's going to add with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.